and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another country for our world trip from our kitchen. If you joined last week, or if you haven't, last week we went to Angola. We enjoyed some nice stew, and today we're going to the Caribbean. We're going to Antigua and Barbuda. We're going to do one of their traditional dishes, and then we're going to enjoy the sun, chill on the beach, swim a little, and just have a good time. So once again, today's recipe will be an adapted version because I still am not really allowed to go look for okra, and I actually know where I can buy it. It's downtown, but I'm not allowed to go there at the moment. I'm using an adapted version, so I will tell you when you have to add things that I don't have and that I'm using other ingredients for. We're making a pepper pot with fungi. Let's get to it. So for pepper pot and fungi, we will need to make two different dishes, or two parts, components of the dish. Once we will have to make the fungi, which is a type of cornmeal porridge. We will need cornmeal, water, and butter. Then for the pepper pot, we will need approximately 100 grams of bacon, sliced or chopped. Pork meat, best if it has some bone in it, also chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, chopped or minced. 1 onion, chopped. 10 okras, or if you don't have okras, zucchini, chopped. Thyme, chicken stock, 1 habanero. In my case, my habanero is still growing and the babies are still very small, so I'm using chili powder. Half a kilo of spinach, salt, pepper, and peanut oil. I'm using sunflower seed oil because peanut oil, for some strange reason, has disappeared from the market. As always, you can find the recipe on my blog. The link will be in the description down below. Let's get started. The thing about the pepper pot is that it's not difficult at all. It just takes some time. If you want to make it original, it will take about 2 hours to cook. Otherwise, you can use a pressure pot like I'm going to do today to show you how it goes. First, we use a frying pan, heat it up, and add some oil. Then we fry the onions and the bacon. We wait until they're more or less crispy for the bacon and slightly browned for the onions. In the same time, or in the meantime, we salt and pepper the meat. Now that the bacon is more or less crispy and brown, we remove it from the heat. Take our casserole, for me it's my pressure pot, and we heat or fry the meat until it's lightly brown on all sides. We add in our meat. Now we add in our onions and our bacon. The garlic. Our habanero or chili powder. And the thyme. We mix it and then we add our broth. 4 cups of chicken broth. We also add our okra or zucchini. And we bring it to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we bring it down to a very low simmering temperature. We add the spinach, and then we leave it to boil or to simmer for approximately 2 hours. If you're using a pressure pot, you close it, bring it to the pressure that you want or that you have for cooking, and it takes approximately 45 minutes. It's time to open. Here's our finished pepper pot. What we want to achieve with all of this is that the meat is very tender and very soft. Now it's time to make our fungi, otherwise we don't have anything to serve it with. We leave this to cool down a bit. And we take a pot. Very important, you need a wooden spoon. And we take 1 cup of water and we bring it to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we add the cornmeal. 1 cup. We stir it. On the 2nd cup, we stir that one too. Remember to use a wooden spoon. Now we add some more cornmeal. Some more water, another cup of water. We stir it. And a 3rd cup. Now we mix it. Can add some more water, not too much. Now we stir it and mix it while folding it always towards the center. We keep on folding it until we can make it into a ball, more or less like this. Now we mix in 2 tablespoons of butter. And now it's time to serve. And here we have our finished pepper pot. And we also come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed our trip to Antigua and Barbuda. And don't forget to tune in for the next adventure. We're going to eat steak. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay safe, stay sane, stay happy, and I'll see you. Bye!